Okay.
Sir, we have to start from Sir, we have to start from modern theory of electric charges.
Starts on there. Okay. So, any question still here?
Sir, can you please revise? Sir, can you please revise all these things because I was not present in the last class due to exam. Recording.
Then some natural phenomena regarding charge, right? Right. So this charge, which came, how they come charge in the sky?
by electrons, sir.
That's right, but how? Due to
But
the wind is there in the sky,
yes, sir,
and
wind.
before rain, wind flow with very high speed. And what happened due to that? Lot of friction take place between molecules, and due to the friction, charges produce, and that charges cause potential at that point, right? Right?
Yes,
Greater
sir.
is a charge, greater is a potential. And due to the charges present here by induction process, charge will come here also of opposite nature, right? By how this charge come on the ground? Which process is called? Which process is called? Induction. Yes? Are you getting?
Sir, can you please explain again?
Yes?
Sir, can you please explain again as I didn't understand it?
See, charge comes here. How? How? By friction. Suppose plus charge is here, right? Do you know induction? What is induction? If one body has charge, then in between is what? Air. And another body is what? Earth. Right? So when one body come in the contact with another body which is uncharged, then opposite charge develop on it. Right? And here is a plus charge and here is a minus charge. So current flow due to high potential difference, that is of 600 kilowatt. In our home potential we get is 240 volt, right? Are you getting? So even though you are not getting, you'll understand everything gradually. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I want to ask something. Sir,
Yes,
on
please
my
ask.
screen it is showing that this stream is live on YouTube, like something.
1 minute. I have cancelled it. Live I have cancelled, I think so. No, it is
No,
live
sir.
there. Yes, it is live there. Yes, I do it because many of you miss the class, then I share. So no need to go there, be here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So lightning part I'll discuss it later part of the end part of the chapter also. The spark that Greeks knew means there is a detail about electricity discovery and everything, right? That is due to the charge, and there is different variety of charges, production of charges, different variety of production of charges, and I have discussed with you few of them. Do you remember which are those? Due to the friction, that is called frictional electricity, and we have discussed example. Anybody remember which example we have discussed? This example we have discussed, right? Balloon, right? This balloon, these both are example. And modern electricity charges, source of frictional electricity. When one electron is getting transferred from here, one electron, so on this majority of electrons will be there, right? And what charge is there on the electron? Negative. So it will become negatively charged. And because it has lose the electron, so he has majority of plus charge. So this is what? Minus charge and plus charge. Is that okay?
So this is called frictional electricity,
Yes.
huh?
Yes. Due to the friction, electrons is getting transfer. Electricity means what? Electric means rate of flow of electron, right? Rate of rate of flow of electron. So this is called electricity. Now see in this case what is happening here. One electron is getting transferred, na? And how this is getting transferred? Tell me. If there is no friction, can that electron get transferred from B to A?
No, sir.
Is it possible? No. That's why the name is electricity. But how? Due to friction. This is called frictional electricity. Are you getting? Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any question till here? Yes, ask.
No, sir, no doubt.
Any question? Okay, okay. So now we are going to discuss about insulator and conductor. What is difference between them? Insulator and conductor. So I'll give one simple example and you will be able to understand. Okay. So suppose two friends are there. One is given something to share with all the classmates. Okay. But what happens? One friend A is there. He go and give to all one pieces of chocolate. But B what he do? Whatever chocolate he has, he keep with him only. He nothing give to others. Now tell me which one you will like?
A1. A1.
A A1. So this B is called insulator. B is called insulator. Insulator means he keep with him only. He not share. And this conductor or what? They conduct. How is conducting? Whatever he has, he is giving to others. He is conducting. Right? Right?
Yes,
So this
sir. A
is
sir, B is an insulator.
conductor.
So this charge placed on a
And this
conductor
is
will spread over entire surface, sir. In conductor in A,
yes.
if you
Yes.
entire surface it will conduct electricity.
Yes. Getting?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Okay.
Insulators are those which do
So
not
now
and insulators
during
are those
friction,
which cannot conduct electricity like wood.
yes, whatever they are getting now, they keep with themselves. For example, I'll tell you. And not only with themselves also. See, here, as soon as what charge is there, it is spread all over body uniformly. Okay. So this is what? Conductor. Are you getting? This is what? Conductor. Getting, na? Getting, na? Now, here in this case, what is happening? Suppose I am giving this much charge to this end, then this end will only keep. If I am giving this much, then जहाँ पे रखा है ना वहीं पे रहेगा. It will not go anywhere. Are you getting?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting? So this is what the insulator, right? So this is a, it will not allow to allow. Everyone, any question? Anybody want to ask any question?
But
Getting na
why
insulator.
just only in insulators do the charges remain placed on where they are?
Okay, why does it do like this? That you are
Yes,
asking.
sir. Why does it remain where they are placed only in
Okay,
insulators?
good question. So because insulator has no free charge, no free electrons, so they don't conduct only. So conduct means what? Flow of charge. So because there is no conduction, so there is no flow of charge. No flow of charge. If no flow of charge,
Achha.
then
So if there is
then
no flow of
it will not
charge,
flow,
then
na?
yes, sir.
Then it will not
It is an
conduct.
It will not flow. It will remain at one place. Getting?
yes, sir.
It will remain at one place. Okay. So interaction between the charges. All of you know how the charges interact each other. Yes.
Due to magnetic or electric force,
Are the
sir,
unbound
due to electric force or magnetic
each
forces.
other?
Not the like magnetic forces.
See, I'll give one example. This is, they will attract, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Will attract.
Yes. So why? Because opposite charge attract. Do you want to understand why they attract? Why not? Why like
Yes, I
charges
want to
repel? Do you
understand.
want to? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I want to understand.
Why? Why this is so? I'll give one simple example. Wait. This is an pole. This is S pole, right? Now from N pole the magnetic line start and S pole it ends. Is it right? Is it right? The magnetic lines start at N pole and terminate at S pole. Am I right? So what happens if you see carefully at N pole the magnetic lines start or emits out. Am I right? Yes? Yes? So if you'll observe N pole is nothing but the lines are going out. Right? And S pole is lines coming inside, right? Right? Now two-person are there. I'll give example of two-person A and A dash. Okay. He want 100 rupees and he also want 100 rupees. Will they become friend? Yes. Will they become friend?
Yes, sir.
No,
No,
because
sir.
need will not be getting fulfilled now. Both are of similar nature. Both are he also want and he also want. Okay, now another case we'll see. He is need of 100 rupees and another person is there nearby. He has lot of money, he can give 100 rupees. Now will they attract each other or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is a plus charge and it will they will attract. They are both want to give 100 rupees. Will they be attracted each other? No, their need will not be fulfilled. Are you getting? Are you getting? One want to give and one want to take. Then fulfilled. Similarly happens here. See, N pole means what? It want to give out, right? The lines are going out, right? Huh? See here. S pole means what? Lines are coming inside. Means want to take. Okay. So N want to give and S want to take. So both are okay. Done. Now here N is there, here N is there. He want to give, he want to give. So what will happen in this case?
Sir,
What will happen? Yes?
they will repel.
No. Getting na? Both want to give. Getting? Similar happen in plus charge. You want to give out. Lines give out and negative wants to take inside. What will happen? Oh, plus want to give, I want to take. Let us join. Attract. Are you getting? And another side is also plus. You also want to give. Why? Both want to give. Are you getting? Yes, anyone? Should I explain again? What do you want?
Sir understood that negative
Okay.
charge always attracts positive.
Yes. If nothing is there, no charge is there, then it will hang like gravity. Right? It will hang under gravity. Right? Okay.
Sir.
So here I have the example, different example, how attraction and repulsion will take place. If like charges are there, then repulsion will take place. So different examples are possible that you can more better understand by reading only, right? Just like balloons and refill. So because they are attracting each other. So by reading this, will you read this? Yes. Now I am going to explain charging about induction. Do you know what is this? Anybody? What is charging by induction? Are you able to hear me or not?
Yes, sir, we are able to hear you.
Yes? Kasyap,
I don't know, sir, what is meant by charging by induction.
are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, I am able to hear you.
Clearly or I should be more louder?
Clearly, sir.
Okay. So charging by induction. What does this mean by charging by induction? So induction means what? Induction means what? Like teaching. Like teaching. Here is a student, okay, and here is a suppose teacher, okay. So he's teaching suppose maths, and what happens? Student everybody everything he gets right by hearing, right?
Sir, can you please explain it again as I got disconnected?
I am explaining induction process. What is induction? I am giving example of teaching. He is a teacher and he is teaching maths in the class and he is a student. So by hearing he get everything, right? By hearing he gets same thing what teacher has. Suppose teacher has some concepts. So by hearing he will get that concept or same knowledge. Are you getting? Are you getting? So there is no touch. Can you see any touch between teacher and student? No. Only by coming in touch with the teacher, right? The student getting knowledge. Similarly, what happen in the electricity? One body has suppose plus charge, some charge, right? So any body come in the nearby area, not touching. You can see both bodies are not touching. Then this plus charges will induce the charge in the body. Negative side on this side, positive in this side. Now my question is, now my question is, why negative is on this side? Yes. Yes, tell me why negative is on this side? Why not positive is there on that side?
What, sir?
Yes, because this is positive charge, no all. So positive charge will attract what? Negative or positive?
Negative.
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 Negative,
That's why
sir.
all negative charges in the scale, all negative charges of
Are
the
at one
scale
side.
is develop towards the side of positive charge body, and all positive charge in the body accumulated on another end. That is how this body is charged. And is there any contact or friction anything in this charging process? Yes?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we
No.
don't rub them, then the charge won't
Yes,
develop.
no contact is there. So this process is called induction.
Induction.
Are you getting? Are you getting? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Every one of you getting?
Yes, sir.
Should, should I explain again? Anybody want? Tell me, I'll explain again, no matter.
Sir, can you explain about the induction again?
Okay, again?
Yes, sir, induction.
Okay, see. Suppose this body has plus charge. Lot of plus charge is there. And there is another, it has no charge only. Then what will happen? Negative charges will start arising on one side and positive on another
But
side. But why? That is question. Because of this plus charges attract the negative charges of this scale on one side. So all will come on one side. They will not come out of the scale, but they are on one side. And getting na?
yes, sir.
Because in the scale there is plus and minus charge mix. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So in the presence of this charge, this is very important. They are distinguished. They are distinguished
So, but how does
as
it get charged?
no, not getting charge. Inside there is charge. Getting this is original
Okay, sir.
when there is no charge. So inside the charge is there plus and minus. See, electrons are everywhere, right? They themselves get redistributed because here all plus minus was mixed, so it was zero. Now minus is one side, plus is one side. So this side is negatively charged, this side is positively charged. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, but if we try with a balloon and a wall, then balloon will be attracted towards the wall, no? Means,
Yes, balloon, because your balloon and wall is there. So suppose it has plus charge, then in that zone near the wall, near the balloon wall area, that will acquire negative charge, right? And that to that, because of presence of plus charge on the balloon, it will acquire negative charge on the wall and they will come and touch each other. Are you getting?
yes, sir.
Okay.
But sir, then the wall will develop the charge, no?
Yes,
Means,
wall will
uh,
develop a charge and then you will
okay,
come
sir.
stick.
Okay.
So induction process is very, very strong process. Okay. So what about the preparation for tomorrow's test, all of you?
The talent
Sir,
X?
good.
Yes?
Talent X, sir?
Yes, talent X. All of you are prepared? Now see in this case also, they are in not touch, but charge is getting developed. Can you see? On this metallic rod, one side negative, one side positive. Can you see? On which depend कि which side कौन सा चार्ज आएगा? किस फैक्टर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? इस साइड प्लस आएगा कि माइनस आएगा? टेल मी. दिस साइड ऑफ द चार्ज बॉडी ये प्लस आएगा कि माइनस आएगा? किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है?
सर जो दूसरा मतलब दूसरा जो ऑब्जेक्ट है जिससे वो
राइट, करेक्ट
वो
करेक्ट.
स्टिक करना चाहता है।
दूसरा बॉडी क्या है इसके ऊपर, राइट? प्लस रहेगा तो निगेटिव को अट्रैक्ट करेगा, निगेटिव है तो प्लस को अट्रैक्ट करेगा. गेटिंग एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
ओके, गुड. So this is how the metal is there, and then induction process is there. Then one extra thing is there. This is grounding. What is grounding means? Grounding means electron बहुत ये रहता है क्या? It's like something he want. Then ground means a very big field. Then all electron go in the ground only. They go. Then what is remaining only? Positive charge. And they spread all over. Like conductor is spread all over. Just we learned today. Right? If some charge is there on the conductor, then it will spread. What will happen? Yes? Just tell me. See what is happening here. It's too simple to understand. I'll help make you understand with the whiteboard. See, this is my sphere, and this is my charge body. My charge body have a lot of positive charge on it. Negative will develop this side, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
And positive will develop another side. Now this is over due to induction. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now I will remove out. What I will do? I will touch the negative part with the ground. All the electrons will go in earth. Right? All the electrons will go in the earth. Right? So what will happen now? Which charge is remaining? Which charges are remaining?
Sir, in the ball, both the
The
charges are
positive
remaining.
charges are only remaining.
Sir, how can one
Plus na?
minus charge can transfer?
Yes, the positive charges only
Yes?
remain.
Yes. See, negative is electron and that flow to the earth. So once electron has flowed to the earth, what will happen? So this portion will become khali, na? Yes. This portion will become right, na? So then we have learned the conductor. What conductor do? Whatever they have get, they distribute among themselves. So that will become distributed equally, right? I will explain again. Understand this. See, after induction, this body is getting two charges. One is a plus, and another side is, suppose this is minus. Okay, minus. Now, what I am doing is doing earthing. Okay, okay. So what will happen now? All the electrons are they goes in the earth. Now all the electron has gone. Then what will happen? Tell me. What will remain
What
inside?
will remain?
Positive charges
What
will
will remain
remain.
inside?
Positive charges.
Only plus
Positive charge.
charges, na? And then we have learned that how what happen when charge is there on the conductor. Yes.
They
That they will distribute among themselves.
Yes. So I hope all of you understood.
Yes, sir. Your ones I have understood, but in the book, what is that? The role of ebonite rod.
Okay, I'll come back to the book. If anybody want to ask here any question?
Sir means when that all the electrons are gone, then the
Yes.
positive remain, the positive charge remained in the ball was scattered, no, in that
Yes,
object.
it's scattered uniformly.
Okay, sir.
Uniformly scattered. Right? Right? Okay. So now I'll back to your question. Yes. What question you are asking? Ebonite rod or something you are asking me in a notebook. Yes?
What, sir?
Yes.
But how do they means जो
Yes.
नेगेटिव चार्जेस रहते हैं उन्हें
Yes, ask
कैसे
your
ग्राउंड
question.
में भेजते हैं ट्रांसफर करते हैं मतलब ग्राउंड में
Sir, can I ask my doubt?
Yes, yes.
Sir, in this, what is that ebonite rod and what is the role of it as the electrons go into the ground?
Okay. So ebonite rod is a kind of material, just like you have mirror. So this is a kind of mirror part only, ebonite rod. Okay.
Is it
The
negative charge?
speciality of that, yes, the speciality is that while rubbing they gain more electrons. They become negatively charged. So now ebonite rod is there. We are not talking about this. In the grounding, what is developed on the sphere, I am talking about this. If I'll do grounding of this ebonite rod also, so all the electrons will go in the earth. It will have nothing now. Zero. Are you
Sir,
getting?
but why will the electrons go down?
On the earth you go because electron is negatively charged and earth is all 0 volt. So minus 1 volt and 0 volt. Which one is greater?
-1.
Zero is greater.
Zero, zero.
So it flows from high to low, low to high.
Okay, sir.
Yes. That's why positive charge are not coming. Why they are not coming? They are
Because
greater
they
than
are
this.
greater than zero.
Greater. Getting? This was good question. Who asked this?
Sir, me, Ashmat.
Okay, thank you. This was good question. Any other question? Any other question? She would like to take break
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
of 5 minutes.
for 10 minutes.
6:50. Means till 6:50.
Sir, we have to leave the meeting. Or
No need to leave the meeting. We'll resume. Yes.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we'll restart now.
Okay, sir.
So we have done the which part, that is induction. Anybody want to ask any question from induction? No? So now it's for transfer of transfer. Okay. What is transfer? Yes? Anybody can say anything about transfer?
Sir, moving of an object from one place to another.
Okay. So transfer means just something like it is not produced, it is already existing, right? And transfer means one place to another place, right? Right? Transfer means one place to another place, right? Now, similarly, negatives are here. So by touching this, whatever possible that will go here. Positive is this, whatever possible, it will go here. Are you getting? Are you getting? It's simply touch now. If you are touching water with your hand, what will happen? What will happen? Tell me. Yes? See, if there is water, okay, and if you want to touch it with your fingers, what will happen? Water will come to you or not in your finger? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If anybody have doubt, go in the take a glass of water and put your hand in it and get it. So similarly happen if you are touching something that the things will come with you, right? So in this case, what will happen? Simple transfer will happen, and there is very good device to detect the presence of charge. Similarly, for pressure, measurement of pressure, we have a device. Do you know the name of the device? Yes. For pressure measurement, we use a device called bar baroscope, uh, barometer, right? And similarly, we use uh, measurement of current is what? Ampere meter. For measurement of voltage is voltmeter. For measurement of resistance is ohm. Similarly, to detect the presence of charge, not measure, detect whether charge is there on the body. Suppose this is a body. Can I see the charge is there or not? Can I see? Suppose this plate name is M. Can I see is there charge or not? Yes.
Yes, sir. I think we
Can
can.
I see the charge is there?
Sir, I think we
We
can.
cannot see.
Yes, sir. But I think we can see it
We
through
can only presence.
by attracting and
Yes, we cannot see it. Now what will happen? Then how can I find that whether there is or not? How can I find it? There is or no?
by attracting or repelling any positive or negatively charged something.
Okay, that's also good. But here is a good option that I can use. What? See, can you see the two small leaves like patta leaves? Can you see? If the similar charges will come, they will go away, right? So this is what that leaf. If no charge is there, they are hanging under the influence of gravity, right? And now if I'll transfer plus charge here, then it will continue move, right? On one blade also plus charge, and on another blade also, on other side of blade also plus charge, right? So when these two side are plus charge, what will happen? Tell me. These leaves will fly, na? Can you see here? They are flying. Can you see this? So when they go away, that means there is presence of charge. Now you cannot determine from here whether it is a minus or plus. Can you understand this? This because in both the case the response is same. It is expanding. Yes. Are you getting? Are you getting this? By this device you cannot present whether plus charge is there or minus charge is there. You can only find that charge is there, right? Right?
Sir, if any
Okay.
charge will be there, then the leaves will be repelled, na?
Yes, because see, you cannot give two charge. You can give only one charge. So what will happen by one charge? So on the both the leaves, same charge will come, whether minus or whether plus. Are you getting? Are you getting? So because same charges are coming, right? Right? So they will repel each other. So when they are repelling each other, that time you can find out that there is a charge. There is a charge, right? But you cannot find which charge is there. Is it plus or minus? Because here diagram is there, you can see minus and plus. Otherwise you cannot see because whether go minus or go plus, the extension is same. Can you see? Can you see? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
What I'm trying to say is you will not able to see this thing. Minus minus is written now. You'll only see this the expanding. And now in this case also, you will see expanding. Now can you find it whether it is a plus or minus? Can you find it? No.
Sir,
You can only find it charge is present. That's sure. Charge is present. That's all. Getting
Yes, sir.
So now the
Means with the leaf
time for
electroscope, we
story of,
can just found that
yes,
there are charges in the leaf,
which charge? Yes,
but
yes.
not that
The story
negative
of
and
lightning.
positive.
Yes, story of lightning. What is the story of lightning? So how this lightning take place? That we have discussed in the beginning, right? First thing, how the clouds get charged, right? Right. So there is a thunderstorm. What is thunderstorm? Air current is there. What is air current? That air is there. Air moves upward, and water droplets are there. Water droplets are there. They are heavy, so they will move downward. Right? Right? So this movement will cause the separation of charge. Like churning it taking place, churning. जैसे दूध में दही में से माखन निकालते like that churning
Hello, sir.